Stop. You think you need a laptop to start coding? Watch this phone become a real website in the next few minutes. If it doesn't work, comment fake. Go to Play Store, search SPCK Editor, install it, and open. Now, the first thing you will see is a project with code already inside. This is where most beginners get confused. That's not your project, and you don't need it. Let's fix that. Tap the three dots next to the project, tap rename, call it My First Website. Go under the project and delete all existing code and files. Then come back right here, tap three dots, new file, call it index.html. Do the same to create files for style.css and script.js. See, you didn't just open an app, you created your own coding workspace. Again, tap on index.html. Tap slightly beside it to access the coding area. You might see some code in there. Delete everything till it's empty. Do the same for script.js and style.css. Go back to index.html. Make sure it's empty. Now type this slowly. Take your time. By the way, this is not random text. This is real HTML. This is how every website starts. When you're done, in the top right corner, see the green play button. Tap it. Look at your screen. You build that on your phone in a few minutes. This is the moment most people never reach because they never start. Right now it looks simple. That's normal. In the next video, we turn this into a real website with colors, layout, and design. If you stop here, you'll forget everything. So follow and continue step by step.